Hang on, let's go to the podcast journey and the podcast and what it has done for you, because I think it's very interesting. We talked a long time ago, and I started doing the YouTube shows, and I stopped. I did a lot of different things trying to figure out what worked, and then you started doing podcasts. So if I look back to the early to now, what changed? How is it possible you get all those people in the show? Because you can actually reach almost anybody because of the show also,
yes.
Right? So that on its own is almost like a sales technique. I wouldn't call it technique.
Yeah, but it's theoretically seen, rationally seen, it's a sales technique. At the same time, for me, I started before the podcast a YouTube series because I saw some strange guy via Frank Mane doing some sales show via YouTube where he was like a little bit phony and smooth, and that was you. And I was like, I want to do the same, but in the raw version.
Yeah, not smooth.
Yeah, no, because I'm not like that.
First time we talked, he said to me, Michael, I think you're too smooth. You must be arrogant or something like that. And then we got to know each other, and then you said, you're completely not that way.
That's true.
But it's also for me like a kind of an alter ego is not the right word, but
more
kind of
for me it was more like a persona or a mask.
Persona. And over the time, because you were pushing me and my wife was pushing me, she said, you got to be more Michael.